Well, the summer may be over, but what remains is the damage you probably did to your skin. From acne and sunspots to broken capillaries and wrinkles, fun in the sun can come with a price. CBS 2's Catherine Brown shows us how to repair your skin and prepare it for the chilly seasons to come.
One look at 22-year-old Allie Cottle's face, and her dermatologist, Dr. Ariel Ostad, says he can tell she had a great summer.
Around discoloration.
The telltale sign, says Dr. Ostad, sun damage, including a broken capillary on her nose.
So we're going to shut the light.
He also found damage beneath the surface of the skin using this blue light.
Do you see this freckling across the bridge of your nose?
Yes.
But it's what you can't see that Dr. Ostad says we need to be most concerned about.
Loss of collagen layer, and as that accumulates over time, you develop unfortunately sagging skin, leathery skin.
The good news, there are many things you can do to help reverse some of this damage.
When the season changes, you need to exfoliate some of the dryness on the surface so you can penetrate the hydration better into the skin.
Marina Valmy, director of Christine Valmy School of Skincare, says you don't have to spend a lot of money on fancy products either. Some of the best exfoliators and moisturizers can be found in fruits and vegetables.
And they're delivering all of the nutrients and the ingredients that your skin really needs on the spot.
Eggplant, for example, is a great exfoliator, says Valmy. She recommends dipping it in sea salt, then rubbing it on in a circular motion.
Eggplants release a lot of toxins from the body.
To repair sun damage like a burst capillary, Valmy says apply a mixture of coffee and heavy cream. The caffeine helps increase circulation, and the cream is soothing to the skin. If you have some post-summer acne, make a mask of cinnamon and yogurt. Both have antibacterial properties. To help diminish fine lines and wrinkles, rose petal extract and chocolate contain anti-aging properties. And a mixture of honey and papaya can help reduce sunspots.
This is how skincare originally started.
Of course, there are much more high-tech options to reverse summer skin damage. Dr. Ostad says lasers and chemical peels work well, as do many prescription and over-the-counter creams that contain high concentrations of age-fighting vitamins. Catherine Brown, CBS 2 News.
One of the best homemade remedies for under-eye puffiness is a mixture of potato and broccoli. And if you'd like to find out more healing mask recipes, just head to our website, cbsnewyork.com. That is our report for 5 o'clock today. For Dr. Holly Phillips, Lonnie, and the entire CBS 2 News team, thank you for joining us. I'm Christine Johnson. The news at 6 starts right now.